Today, we are going to look at the world's most expensive spice and its health benefits. Do you know that there are more than 100 different spices commonly used for cooking around the world? These spices come from different parts of plants, such as the roots, stems, seeds, fruits, and flowers. Spices can be expensive, and the most expensive spice in the world is known as red gold. What is this red gold? The spice commonly referred to as red gold is none other than saffron. Saffron is a type of spice made from the stigmas of the saffron blue crocus sativus flowers and has an intense earthly flavor. The plants are only 30 cm in height. Saffron is the rarest spice and is the most expensive, costing up to $5,000 per pound, which can be as expensive as gold, if not more expensive. This precious spice origin, many believed, is from Greece. Though saffron is the most expensive spice, it also has many wonderful health benefits and is also the hardest spice to grow. This spice is highly sought after due to its medicinal properties and culinary uses. It is safe to take saffron as a medicine up to 100 mg daily for up to 26 weeks or 6 months. Saffron is also rich in antioxidant as well as glutathione that can help detox the body as well as support the liver. Saffron also improves your mood, your libido, as well as your sexual function. Other health benefits of saffron are: it reduces your kidneys' renal tissue damage. It produces immunity against common colds as well as various allergies. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel to get notified of latest videos and updates. Stay healthy.